Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to add any contact in WhatsApp, or to just find the contact you want and start communicating with them. To do this, we go into the app and click on Chats. After that, we click on this button, and we select the item New Contact. Now here we need to write the new phone number that we have in WhatsApp. And also we add the first and last name, and we press Save. Now this contact is added. We can call or write to him. Also, if your acquaintance or friend is already in WhatsApp, but you do not remember how he is signed, you just need to find his name in your contact list and rewrite it into the mobile app search. As you can see, this is a very easy and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated at all. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.